Hello everyone. Today I am going to discuss Biology of Class 6, Chapter 2, The Cell. Today I will be discussing all the objective questions and answer from the chapter, that is exercise questions, questions from test yourself and questions from review your learning. At first I will start with the objective questions from exercise. Question number A, fill in the blanks. Number 1, all living organisms are made up of one or more. The answer is cells. Number 2, the word cell is derived from the Latin word. Answer is cellula. Number 3, dash membrane is semi-permeable. Answer is cell membrane. Number 4, the jelly-like substance present in the cells is called. Answer is cytoplasm. Number 5, a network of thread-like structure in the nucleus is called. The answer is chromatin. Number 6, dash are located on the chromosome. Answer is genes. Next, question number B, true or false, and correct the false statements. Question number 1, cell is only the structural unit of life. The statement is false and the correct statement is cell is the structural and functional unit of life. Number 2, discovery of cell was possible due to the discovery of telescope. It is false. The answer is discovery of cell was possible due to the discovery of microscope. Question number 3, all cells are bound by a cell wall. It is false. All cells bound by a cell membrane. Number 4, plastids are found only in plant cells. Answer is true. Number 5, vacuoles are bound by a double membrane. It is false. Vacuoles are bound by a single membrane. Number 6, chromoplasts are the kitchen of the cell. It is false. Chloroplasts are the kitchen of the cell. Next is choose the correct option. Question number C. Number 1, who discovered the cells for the first time? The correct is option number C, Robert Hooke. Number 2, the size of a cell is measured in. The answer will be option number C, micron. Number 3, the longest cells in the body are. The correct answer, the option number C, nerve cells. Number 4, which of these is not present in an animal cell? The answer is option number D, plastids. Number 5, which of the following provides colors to flowers and fruits? The correct option is number B, chromoplast. Next is number D, identify the errors in the given statement. Number 1, chromoplasts are called the green plastid. They contain a green pigment called chlorophyll. Chromoplast is the incorrect one and the correct one will be chloroplast. Number 2, Antony van Leeuwenhoek was the first one to discover the name a cell. The Antony van Leeuwenhoek is the incorrect one and the correct one will be Robert Hooke. Number 3, muscle cells are long and thread-like. It will be not muscle cell, it will be nerve cell. Number 4, skin cells give us strength and support. Skin cell is the incorrect one. It will be replaced by bone cells. Number 5, nuclear membrane separates the cell from its surroundings. It is not nuclear membrane, it will be plasma membrane. Number 6, leucoplasts are found in leaves. It is not found in leaves, it is found in roots. Now the objective questions from test yourself. We are solving page number 23. Number A, write down the contribution of the following scientists. Number 1, Antony van Leeuwenhoek. He discovered simple microscope. Number 2, Robert Hooke. He developed compound microscope. Number 3, M.J. Sladen. He observed different parts of the plant under microscope. Number 4, R.C. Virchow. He studied that all the cells made up of pre-existing cells. Question number B is fill in the blanks. Number 1, 1 dash is 1/1000th of a millimeter. Answer is micron. Number 2, the smallest cells in the human body are the. Answer is red blood cell. Number 3, muscle cells are Answer is elongated and contractile. Number 4, dash and dash are unicellular organism. First one amoeba, second one euglena. Now another test yourself from the page number 28. First question is, give one word for the following. Number 1, responsible for transfer of characters from parents to offspring. The answer will be genes. Number 2, control center of the cell. It is nucleus. Number 3, kitchen of the cell. It is chloroplast. Number 4, colored plastid. It is chromoplast. Now we are going to solve the objective questions from Review Your Learning of the chapter. Question number A, answer in one word. Number 1, organisms made up of multiple cells. It is called multicellular organism. Number 2, an example of sleeper shaped cell. Answer will be paramecium. Number 3, the longest cell. Answer will be nerve cell. Number 4, green pigment present in leaf cells. Answer is chlorophyll. Number 5, colorless dense fluid inside nuclear membrane. It is nucleoplasm. Now question number B, identify errors in the given statements and correct it. Question number 1, a number of small structures known as cell organelles are present in the nucleoplasm. So nucleoplasm is incorrect word. The correct one will be cytoplasm. Number 2, the chromatin forms small structures called genes at the time of cell division. Genes will be replaced by chromosomes. Number 3, the multicellular body of amoeba is irregular in shape. Multicellular will be replaced by unicellular. Number 4, chromoplasts are colorless plastids which are found in the roots and underground stems like potato and ginger. It is not chromoplast, it will be leucoplast. Number 5, vacuoles are sac-like structures containing a fluid called tonoplast. It will be not tonoplast, it is cell sap. Next question is number C, match the columns. Two columns are there given, column A and column B. According to that, few options are given. So in column A, number 1 cytoplasm, number 2 chromoplast, number 3 nucleus, number 4 chloroplast, number 5 vacuoles. In column B, number A responsible for color of all fruits and flowers, number B kitchen of the cell, number C make the cell turgid, number D control center of the cell, number E contains cell organelles. So the correct answer will be 1E, 2A, 3D, 4B, 5C.